Imagine a future where you don't need to hold a phone because your assistant is everywhere. That's what Apple's Eddy Cue is hinting at. In 10 years, he believes AI could replace the iPhone itself. It might sound wild, but think about it. Voice assistants are getting smarter, devices are getting smaller, and mixed reality is gaining ground. Apple's already moving with Vision Pro, but this isn't just about hardware. It's about making technology invisible. AI that's proactive, personal, and totally integrated into your life. We're talking about a world where your smart glasses, earbuds, or even ambient devices around you become your assistant. No need to type, swipe, or scroll. Just speak, gesture, or think, and your AI responds. This shift could change how we work, connect, and live. Phones made us mobile. AI could make tech ambient, always on, always helpful, without screens or apps. It's not science fiction anymore. It's the next era of computing. Are you ready?